Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January the 11th, 2022. We are going to talk about fetch.ai. Today, we're going to give you all a price prediction as to where I'm thinking the price is going to go. And I'm going to show it to you in a way that's not confusing. So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is the spot. This is the location that you're going to get a price prediction regarding price movement just by looking at the price chart. We're not going to look at any articles. We're not going to look at any tweets. We're not going to look at any upcoming protocols that's about to be implemented on this blockchain. No, we simply pay attention to what everyone else is doing with their own money, because money talks and noise walks. So let's break this down real quick. First, before I talk about where do I see this particular price in Fetch going, let me show you what happened the last time. Yeah, you guys can see it from my chart that I do have a price prediction already ongoing. The last video I did for fetch.ai was actually on December the 2nd. Yeah, you can actually go back and listen to it today. It is in the playlist, but you can see it right now. I was still playing in weakness into the market in Fetch right here, December the 2nd, right? So you guys can tell that we were pretty much on par, anticipating that the value of this cryptocurrency was going to decrease. So as this price has been coming down, many of you may be wondering, well, why in the world is this price coming down? It's not the reason why. It's just about predicting that it was going to happen before it did. So you're not confused. So you're not fearful. You're not scared. You're not nervous. We were already comfortable in realizing that the value of this cryptocurrency was going to decrease. That was our forecast. So look, if you were to get off the market now, you'll be up almost 35%. Now, we had this price prediction going on since October. That's how long it has taken this particular cryptocurrency to dip down to where we were looking for it to go. Majority of the time, it's just been consolidating up there around 85, 90 cents. But we still knew that the price was going to fall. So congratulations to those who was able to catch that, because now we got to look forward to what we think now. I mean, can we still see this price in fetch.ai continue to go lower? Let's try to figure that out, because understandably, the answers are already here on the chart. Yeah, can you see the answer right now? Just looking at the price bars and the volume, it tells us what the market is trying to do. Now, it's no coincidence. We all can visually see this chart. The market is in a downtrend. See, that's the first thing we already got out the way. So are we looking for the price to go up right now in Fetch? No, not really. What I'm going to do, I want you all to see this horizontal line right here. I'm going to use this now because I want you all to focus in on where this price can go in Fetch. So looking at this, you answer this question real quick. Answer this question for me. Are we still in an uptrend into the market in Fetch? Yes, we are. As long as this price in Fetch continues to trade above this ascending line, we already know that the market generally is going to continue to go up. We have confirmed this trend at least twice, back in June of 2021, as well as in July 2021. So can we still see the price in Fetch come back down to this ascending line and test it? We sure can. See, this is something that we need to consider. We need to expect these things to happen so that we won't be scared. So that's at least another 25% market move to the downside in this currency, just for us to come through and test this trend. And it's very doable. It's not hard for the cryptocurrency to fall 25%. Now, there's already a couple of areas that we can see on this chart that could actually act as support. Okay. First area is around 40. Second area is around 35 cents. Lastly is 30. So we got 40, 35 cents, and 30 cents ultimately for us to see this price in Fetch go. Okay, we're in a downtrend. Now, let me show you all what's going on the 3-day time frame into the market in Fetch, right? And I think you all can still see that this weakness is still apparent. Now, I'm not really being massively bearish. Let me put this into context, because even though I'm playing the weakness into the market in Fetch, I don't want you all to think that the market's going to collapse back down to a nickel. No, I'm not forecasting that, but I am anticipating some continued weakness to come through in the market for this currency. Now, like I said, maybe 40 cents might be the low before the buyers step in and then the market tries to recover and tries to come back up in price. Maybe 40 cents, maybe 35, maybe 30. Let's see what we got on the long term. This is the market in Fetch on the long term, and this is the reason why I'm pretty much still seeing weakness into the market, right? the last 2 weeks prior to the week of January the 3rd, yes, the buyers tried to uphold the price. No doubts about it. We can see that over those 2-week period. But they failed on this last completed weekly price bar, which tells me that the weakness into the market in fetch.ai is still controlling the market. Now, I'm going to be continuing weakness until we see this price in Fetch break back up above 60 cents. Okay. The weakness is going to continue into the market in Fetch until we see this price break back up above 60 cents. So we can either see continued weakness, price continues to go down, or we'll just trade sideways for an extremely long time and there won't be no play here. Did you see this on the 2 weeks? Yeah, we got 5 days and 12 hours left, and we really need to pay attention to where this current 2-weekly price bar closed, because if we close on the low end of this 2-weekly price bar, there is definitely still weakness on this chart. Emphatically, this market is bearish. Emphatically, this price is weak. And look at this on the monthly right now. I mean, we got 20 days and 12 hours left, but we can still look and see what's going on right now. And it is still showing us that the market is weak. So I'm eyeing 40 to 35 cents though. Okay, I'm looking for the market in Fetch to come to 40 or 35 cents. Give us some support, the buyers step in, and then the market will start going up from there. And matter of fact, it will take us right here to this ascending line, which is what we want to see. We want to see the buyers come in here, because if it does, then they tell us precisely where the market is going to flip from going down to going up. It's just that easy, just that simple. While everyone else out here is trying to give you the bull case and the bear case and just leave you all confused, I'm literally telling you all what the expectation will be in the future. So let me go ahead and get this on the chart then. So I said, we're going to play the weakness into the market in Fetch until we see this price break back up above 60 cents. Now I got 2 price targets. 40 cents is first. That's around 10.25%. Cool. I mean, I understand that. My next area is around 35. That's around 21%. See, I'm not massively bearish. No, I'm just looking for the price to dip just slightly to around 40 cents, 35 cents. And then from there, our expectation would be for the buyers to try to come into this market to prop up this ascending line. Just that easy, just that simple. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart now. Drop down this new price prediction into the market in fetch.ai. And like I always do, hey, try to give it a stab. You know, just look at the chart for what it is and try to see if you can figure out what is your price target into the market in Fetch. Yeah, just try it. Look at the chart, pay attention to see what the market is telling you, and then you just follow along with them. They give you the answers. Okay, so let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.